So here's the deal. I had to make a Facebook ad for a Christmas sale, and I didn't really want to spend hours scrolling stock photos, rewriting the same festive copy, or fiddling with red and green color combos that never quite look right. I needed something fast, something that I could turn around in under 10 minutes without sacrificing quality. That's when I tried Vengage's AI Facebook ad generator. And not only did it save me time, it actually gave me ad copy, visuals, and layouts that looked good, like conversion ready good. Let me show you how it all works. Okay, so I was working with one single offer. Christmas sale, 25% off everything. But instead of trying to design one perfect ad, I wrote 3 slightly different prompts to generate completely unique variations. Each one uses this same structure: festive hook, benefit, urgency, CTA, and then an image concept. So for my first prompt, I'm going to show you how to do this. I am on Vengage.com/AI tools/Facebook ad generator, and I'm going to click generate with AI. I'm going to put my first prompt, and it says Facebook ad, Christmas sale, 25% off, festive hook, benefit, proof urgency, CTA, headline, primary text, CTA, image concept, gift wrap, express shipping, red ribbon, and a brand safe tone. I'll go ahead and generate my banner. And while this is generating, I'm going to show you the other 2 variations. So this is my second prompt. This one I was going for a cozy holiday mood. This one has the exact same prompt, but I just changed the image concept. So I said ornaments, gold sparkles. So you can see that the image that it generated for me here is pretty spot on. Next, for my third variation, I asked it to do a Christmas sale, 25% off, festive hook, benefit, proof urgency, CTA headline, primary text, but for my image concept, I said snowflakes, fireplace, warm color palette, and brand safe tone. So I got a whole new image, and I also got a variation of my text and my urgency CTA. So now let's go back and take a look at our first prompt and see what we got back. Okay, awesome. So we got our headline Christmas sale, we got our benefit, our hook, we got our proof of urgency and our CTA, so we have 25% off, limited time only, shop now. And then for my image concept, I asked for gift wrap, express shipping, red ribbon, and the image that it generated is perfect. So let's move forward with this one. We'll go to continue editing and we'll enter the Vengage editor. And I just want to emphasize how all 3 of these are much better than anything I could have designed from scratch. So really happy that you can create these different variations of different ads. And of course, you can use these to test on different platforms, test with different audiences, and so on and so forth. So now that we're on this ad, this one I feel like has the strongest urgency, and the layout gives me plenty of room to play with visuals. So now I can go ahead and apply my brand kit. I do like that this is Christmas colors, so I don't want to stray too far from that. But what I could do is apply just the text by itself. I like that. Maybe we can replace this fill color with our lighter purple, and then now we have our brand on it. Another thing I could do is add my logo. So they're all stored here under my brand kit. You can add this manually, or you can enter your company name and Vengage will automatically pull all of those assets for you. So let me go ahead and add my logo. I can add this down here at the bottom, and then I can also apply all of my fonts. Okay, awesome. So I have my brand kit applied here. And even though we have these festive gift boxes and it's still Christmas themed, the ad stays visually consistent with everything else that our brand is running. So from there, I'll make some quick customizations. I can add to the urgency ends December 25th, and I can make this smaller. I can move a couple of these things up. And then what I could do now is go to the AI tools. I could go to generate icons, and I'm going to do countdown clock to show some urgency. I'm going to do monotone for my style and go ahead and start generating this. Okay, I got some icons back. I like this hourglass, so I can go ahead and put this here and maybe just this. And then my image is pretty light on this side. What I could do is drag it over a bit so that I don't have all this white space over here. And then I can also move it up some. And then let's go ahead and also change this background color to our dark color, and we'll change all of our text. Okay, so now I have a better bird's eye view. I can make my logo a little bit larger, and then I can add this here on the side. And as you could just see, Venngage makes this all super easy with drag and drop editing. I can resize or reposition the text, I can add overlays, and then it also keeps everything aligned for mobile and desktop depending on where you're running your ads. So before I export, I'm going to use the Improve text feature to polish my CTA and my headline. So what I'll do is select this, and I'll put sale, remove this, and I'm going to click Improve Text, and I'm going to say, make more exciting. Holiday Spectacular Christmas Sale. That definitely is more exciting. Let's go ahead and replace this section. And then I can make this a little bit larger and make sure that it aligns with everything else. And then I could do the same thing with some more text. I can make this more friendly. Hurry, don't miss out. Offer ends December 25th. Love that. We can go ahead and update this text here and then just reposition it a bit. We could also change this to have a different color so it stands out. And then what I could also do is maybe make this fill color more opaque so you can still see the GIFs behind it. Okay, amazing. So next what I'll do is go to File, I'll go to Accessibility and check my accessibility. This is super important, especially if I'm going to be boosting this ad. It looks at font sizes, it looks at red-green color conflicts, alt text or labeling issues for screen readers. So as you can see, I filled the color contrast. This text, shop now, is insufficient for good color contrast. So I can go ahead and click this. Let's go ahead and make this black and rescan. Okay, so my color contrast passed now. And then I also have some text size issues. So it says, while there are no official accessibility guidelines for text size, we recommend using text sizes of at least 16 pixels. So for my shop now, I can increase this 16. That one has been marked as complete. And then this one needs to be a little bit larger. Since I don't have that much space, what I could do is move this over, this 25% off. Then I have more room to make this larger. Let's take a look at this. I could position this so and make this text a little bit larger and then align those two. So now I have everything passing in terms of color contrast, text size, links, and tables. And then I can also go ahead and perform manual reviews. I can look at the alternative text, I can look at the logical reading order, headings, use of color, image of text, document title, and document language. This is super, super helpful. And once everything looks good, I can export this hero ad up here at the top as a PNG, ready to upload to Meta Ads Manager. I can also save the other two variations that I showed you at the beginning of this video as backup creatives, and I can use them later for A/B testing. I could use them as feed versus story placements or retargeting sequences. So if you've got a holiday promo and want high converting, scroll stopping ads without spending hours designing, this workflow with Vengage's AI Facebook ad generator is it. You can generate, customize, and export a full campaign in minutes with visuals that look good, read clean, and actually convert. Try it out for your own offer. The link will be in the description below, and let me know which ad version performs best for you. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give it a like and hit subscribe if you don't want to miss any in the future. See you in the next one.